Yo, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be replacing this front grill right here. Bro, this front grill is disgusting, dude. I don't like this grill. It's not it. But over here we bought I wanted to do my grill first, but you know, my taillights were leaking. I had to get some taillights first. But this is the grill that I went with. I went with the glossy grill. Honestly, it's pretty good. I got it for like $90 off of Amazon. This one's pretty well like made. We got the holes already like drilled in there and everything, so I don't need to like make my own holes. No tape. I bought another grill like this when I bought my taillights, but I sent it back because so there were no like holes, which was fine. Like I didn't care. Like I knew how to like drill in like my own holes and everything. It came with tape. I flipped it. Like the front didn't even look bad. I turned it around and it was literally zip tied. Like it was like zip tied with like those metal ones. I'm like, bro, what the frick is this? Like, what is this? On top of that, it didn't even fit. Like I like mocked it up right here. I didn't even take it off. I just mocked it up. And bro, it didn't even fit the car. I'm like, dude, what is this? $90? That's crazy. But that was like a while ago, and then later on I bought this one, mocked it up, and it looked pretty good. It looked like it fit. Mostly when I see people install the front grille on these cars, they usually just take the front bumper off, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not taking this front bumper off. There is a way to just get rid of the grille and not get rid of the front bumper, so I'm gonna do it that way. There are different grills. There's like the matte black one, the glossy, which is this one, and then the carbon fiber one. The carbon fiber one that I was looking at from this seller, it was like almost $100, like $98. And I was looking at the photos and it just like looked fake, like fake carbon fiber. And I'm like, bro, I'm not putting fake carbon fiber on my car, like what? So I just went with the glossy look, in my opinion. I almost did the matte, but I'm glad I didn't because this looks way cleaner. There are some like small flaws. You can't really see it, but there's like a line right there. I don't know. It's nothing like crazy. There's another one over here. You can't really see it though. But no one's gonna see it because my hood's gonna be closed like the entire time. This is what the back looks like. It's pretty well like put together and everything. The other one that I bought before this one, bro, it was 2 pieces. Also with the Genesis Coupe, what I see people mostly doing with the front grille is they just get rid of this emblem and they just do a Genesis Coupe emblem, or a Genesis emblem, my bad. But I don't really like that look. That's why I'm gonna do the front grille. But yeah, I'm gonna show you how to take this front grille off without taking your entire front bumper off. So what you're gonna do to take this front grille off is there's gonna be 6 screws in total all along the side of this. So first, just take the screws off. Super simple, you know, just a little screwdriver. I'm gonna take these off. Alright, so I took all the screws out, all the top screws. Make sure you get like a little cubby or like a little bin so you can fit your screws in them. Some of the screws have like this little like plastic edge to it. I don't really know what it's called, but right here, this side didn't really come off. Like this little plastic barrier that has, this side came off, but I would just like pull this off. Just want to pull that off. Alright, so update. So I took all the screws out. All these screws are out. There's another screw right here. I took this screw out so you could like pop this out. You just pop it out. Just be gentle that you don't crack your bumper. Same with this side. There's a screw right here. I popped it out. I like pop it out of this. So like when you pull it, you get like a little more like room. If you have small hands like me or you're thin, this will be easy. But if you're a little bit meatier, I don't really know how you're gonna do this, to be honest, without taking your entire front bumper off.
Day 2.
Alright. This is day 2. Alright. This is day 2. Trying to get this dang grill off. The only thing that's holding this in right now is this screw. I believe there's a screw right here, probably a screw right here on the other side holding this together. So the screwdriver before that I was trying to use to take this off, it was a little too long, and I was smacking the horn, so I couldn't really take the screw off. So then I bought another screwdriver, and I was thinking it was gonna be like the size of this, but like a Phillip instead of a flathead. It turns out that it's this. This is the screwdriver I bought. It was $3 off of Amazon, and it's a little small, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna use this. I feel like I'm gonna drop it, but hopefully I don't drop it, because I was thinking it was the size of this, but it's the size of this. So, another thing. So, while I'm trying to take this off, I'm gonna have my father, you can't see him, he's gonna hold this back while I'm gonna try to take these screws out. I don't know how I'm gonna grip this either. It's pretty small. But oh, dude, this is miserable. I don't like this.
Should have just taken the whole bumper off.
Alright, update. So there's a screw. There's a screw right here, right there. There's a screw right here, a screw right there, and then a screw right there. And then there's the same set on the other side. So one right there. I need to take this one out still just with my hands, so it'll be pretty easy. And then there's one right there. I just need to take off this screw right here. Just like that. And this grill is gonna come off. So.
Oh, it's got little tiny little tabs right there. There's one here. Let's see how that doesn't work. The heck? See, there's that one. There's that one. Oh, that one broke. Yeah, it looks like it's not made to really come off. Come on.
Oh, that is not.
Yeah, that didn't sound good, but it's off. Yeah, this thing's not made to come off.
Just like that, front grill's off. We probably broke some pieces.
Some tabs.
Yeah, we probably broke some tabs, but this thing is finally off, man.
But the new one has these tabs that fit in here, and here, so they'll clamp on. There's no screws, but we'll clean all this up. Little tabs and the little guys right here just all snapped into place, so it all just went flush. We're using these rivets right here. And because they're glossy just like that, and then you just lift that up. Can you see it?
Yeah, a little bit.
And then so you lift this up just a little bit, and it goes right into place. Same thing with this one. Lift it up just a little bit, put that rivet in there, and this sucker is solid. Absolutely
like
solid. And look at that, dude. This is not going anywhere.
Okay. Dang. Dude, this grill looks way better. Wow. That is so much better. Yeah, I like that.
Compared to this. Big ol' Hyundai. That to that.
Yeah, that's way cleaner. That's crazy.